Okay, so we shall now wait for the countdown. Bago natin umpisan ang ating parade around the town ng mga sikat, dito pa rin sa bayan ng Superstars Ballesteros, Cagayan, nitong opening day po ng ating celebration ng 2011 Centennial Town Fiesta ng bayan ng mga superstars. Ayan, ang mga superstars natin, i-focus natin ang mga superstars sa bayan ng Ballesteros. At mababasa po natin sa ating banner, ang initial banner, Ballesteros Centennial Town Fiesta, which starts today, April 29 hanggang May 5, 2011, Team Naranyaga Ballesteros, soaring high towards sustainable development amidst critical challenges. At siyempre, mangunguna po rito ang ating mga kapulisan. Okay, we are now moving! We are now moving! And we shall be giving you a live coverage of this. At palabas na po ang ating police car. Siya po ang mangunguna, maghudyat kung saan tayo dadaan. Susundan ng ating mga brothers sa kapulisan with a flag and colors. There! We are now moving out. Yes, sir! And this is it for the opening day. Okay, we now have Ballesteros Centennial Town Fiesta moving out. And of course, right behind the colors, we now have Kapuluan Elementary School. This is Kapuluan Elementary with some fireworks. Apa na udil eh? Marunong kayo dyan eh. Kumatidyoan yung banner. Sumingit kayo dyan. Here we are, moving out of the premise of the municipal hall. Hey, very nice. So this is still a part of the long parade, which is the first salvo of our celebration of Centennial Town Fiesta for Ballesteros. Ito po, nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo palabas dito sa premise ng Municipal Hall, and it's a very long queue of people who have participated in this opening salvo of our Town Fiesta. Then coming up next, we have the Department of Education, Ballesteros District. At papasok na po ang banda ng Ballesteros Central School to lead yung Ballesteros District Department of Education family. Kasalukuyan po nasa screen natin ang ating brothers and sisters mula pa rin sa sistema ng Department of Education Elementary Department, as we try to keep you non-stop giving of details and information of the happenings, upcoming events dito sa nagaganap po na Centennial Town Fiesta ng bayan ng Ballesteros. Still, it's a long queue coming from the Department of Education Elementary Level Department. Here they are, marching to the tune of their school band. At patuloy po tayo sa pagbibigay ng mga updates. Kasunod na po ang Alternative Learning System. Yes, there they are. Ito ang banner ng Alternative Learning System ng distrito ng Ballesteros. Hello. Yan, magpapamerienda mamaya yan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Santa Cruz Elementary School, Drumline and Gabang. With Santa Cruz moving in. It's Santa Cruz now. Coming in, it's Santa Cruz. This is the school band of Santa Cruz. Still right in front of the Municipal Hall.
Senior citizens, alam natin yung senior citizens. Babayan.
Hey! And we are moving out. This is not the Municipal Rural Improvement Club Federation of Bangladesh. In yellow.
Senior citizens group.
Okay, they are moving in. They are moving out of the premise of the municipal building. We have the Rural Improvement Club dressed in yellow.
Mabutal Elementary
And up on
School
deck.
Band.
It's up on deck. We have Mabutal Elementary School. Here they come. Coming in full force. It's Mabutal Elementary School.
Mga kooperatiba. Ayan, mga kooperatiba. Ballesteros District Hospital. Sports clubs. Sports clubs kasama District Hospital, dito kayo kasama sa sports clubs at saka cooperatives.
Right
West
on deck.
Central School Band.
Right on deck. It will
West
be.
Central School Band. Sunod sa inyo, LGU.
And coming out of the hole, we have Ballesteros West Central. And right after the school band, we now have the PBA.
MCCFI will follow.
The bayan ng mga superstars na marching out. Yes, sa pagpapigay pa na natin ng mga karagdagang pag-uulat dito sa kaganapan sa bayan ng mga superstars. This is yung parade around the town. Humahabol. Oh, yeah.
Ayan, judiciary.
And yes,
kasama kayo sa
coming up,
LGU.
ladies and gentlemen, we have the Judiciary Department. Okay, there they are.
Judiciary, huwag masyadong didikit sa mga naka-green para mabasa yung streamer nyo, yung banner nyo
Okay,
dyan.
there goes. It's Judiciary.
Ayan.
Ito, yung mga empleyado ng
I-maintain ninyo
Judiciary.
yung siguro 5 yards away.
Okay, who's coming out of the hall?
NCCFI and QCN.
So marami pang nakaantabay mga kaibigan para susunod na sa ating parada at inaantabayanan natin kung sino ang mag-o-open ngayon. Okay, we are still waiting.
Ballesteros National High School.
Ballesteros National High School. Ayan, patuloy po tayo sa pagbibigay ng ating mga updates dito sa kaganapan at nandito tayo sa mismo sa harapan po ng gymnasium at kinukunan natin yung mga nakaantabay ng mga school bands para they will be joining ang ating parade around the town.
Sunod sa DepEd, Ballesteros National High School. Sige, pagbigyan na natin ng mga SK. Nasaan yung banner ninyo na SK? Baitus din kayo Baitus SK, Baitus.
Okay, here we have the group of the Sangguniang
SK
Kabataan.
go!
With balloons, yep, this is Sangguniang Kabataan.
SK, huwag kayong masyadong dikit-dikit para... And please take good care of your balloons. Kakailanganin mama yung mga yan. Dapat walang makawala na balloon. Yeah.
Amo pa lang.
Next are the barangay officials.
Dati na dati, official nga pagkwanda. Ha?
Dami nagre-request sa abroad, sir.
Pero ang
Barangay officials, Sayan, Mabutal East, Barangay Council.
Okay, okay.
Talam na nyo kung magilin niya yung kakabsat ba ito sa Dudua. Awan ti agkikinamat ko ma, sa Dudua. Mabutal West.
Then we have Mabutal West.
Ayan, maayos ang Mabutal West. Sana gayahin natin. Yan, Baitus, Mabutal West, huwag masyadong didikit sa Manakared. Kabaritan is all in blue. Ayan. Sang-sang kamay sa dagiti Kabaritan is tata.
Right behind, we now have, of course, this is
Ipasok na natin yung isang banda ng
Kabaritanis,
Ano yung
Kabaritanis.
naka-pink?
Kabaritan
First
is now
year.
in blue. This is
O
Kabaritan.
sige na, pasok na kayo dito na kasi wala nang... Dito na, dito na. And then sunod na dyan sa banda yung float.
So this is Payagan East Barangay Council.
Pasok, band!
Handa nang pumasok.
First year.
While moving out. Ito na yung band from the Baliceros National High
Let's give
School.
way to the Baliceros National High School Drum and Lyre Corps of the incoming second-year students. Infantile floats, sunod na kayo dyan. Ay, hindi, barangay officials pa pala na nandyan, na naiwan. Susunod na dyan ang Bayagan East. Bayagan East. Dati, huwag kayo masyadong
Okay,
dinilig
pumasok na po ang Payagan East Barangay Council.
Barangay Council
Then,
of
coming up
Centro
is
East.
Centro East.
Yan, nakalive
Barangay
blue
Council
silang
Centro East
lahat.
with Barangay Captain Jingle. And of course, yung miyembro
Napasok
po
na
ng
yung
Barangay
isang
Council.
float dyan, infantile. Infantile. Infantile.
Coming up, we now have yung float for the Miss Infantile.
Yung float ng
It's now moving
Mrs.
out.
walang...
It's now moving out.
Ano ba yun? Parang kami ang iniintay para may laman siya. O, Barangay Centro West, huwag kayo masyadong didikit sa float para makita ang banner
So
nyo.
this is
And then papasok
Barangay
na yung isang
Centro.
banda dyan na nakapink,
Okay.
orange.
And
Go,
coming up.
Michelle. Dito na kayo.
So we now have a school band in
Kabulwan,
orange.
sige, move forward. Kabulwan.
Kabulwan is now moving in.
Kabulwan is...
It's Kabulwan East moving in. Then we have Kabulwan
Kabaritan
West.
West, sumunod kayo sa banda.
Kabulwan West now is coming in. So we have the school band in blazing orange. This is school band of Baliceros National High School in blazing orange. Now moving out of their hall, coming in and joining the parade around the town as an opening salva of the ongoing Centennial Festival.
Kabaritan West, sunod kayo dito sa banda. And sa... Ano ba yun? Kabaritan West.
And now we have Kabalitan West
West.
with the Barangay Captain.
Susunod yan yung isang float. After Payagan West.
Then
Isang
coming up,
float.
we have Payagan We have Barangay Palo. To be followed by Barangay Sitanga.
Asan yung isang float? Pasok! Yung isang float, sisingit dito sa...
Then right after that, we now have
Yung float!
Nararagan
Before
Barangay
Nararagan,
Council.
go! Correct kay Manang.
Then coming in is another float.
Okay. Okay, after Pugo, you follow Dramel Lyremore na naka-pink. Doon kayo kasi may susunod pa sa inyo. Sisingit na lang doon.
So it will be the drummers in pink. Now trying to move and join the parade. But we have to go on with the parade around the town at the opening salvo of the ongoing centennial Town Fiesta of Valles.
Mauli na lang po yan, pwede? Para makamove.
So Fugu is now entering.
Kasi after the Dramel Lyremore na naka-pink ay float of the Gay Association.
So we are about to have the tail end. We are about to have the tail end. We are about to have the tail end of the parade. Still moving out of the premise of the municipal hall. We have the drummers from Ballesteros National High School. All
Kayo
dressed
mga
in pink.
naka-pink, gandaan nyo kasi kayo ang tutugtog sa mga candidates.
Okay. It's a long,
Susunod na
long
dito
queue.
yung float ng candidates for Miss Ballesteros.
Bayad ha, may bayad. Patras kayo pasita na makita ito banner.
YouTube ko lang na, sir.
Yes, yes. May bayad. May bayad pag i-focus.
Hello, sir.
Ha? Hi, hi. Happy Fiesta. Apay ka nagbalot ti agas mo? Baliktad kayo. Binaliktad kayo. Gusto naman dito para merienda, focus ko. Ayoko. Hello. Wala na, hindi nakita yung, ayan. Medyo lumayo kayo kasi para ayan, sige na, iwalk. Hanggang amin dumikit yata na mabasa. Papaganda kayo ha. Dapat may coke yan.
Mamaya, sir, ha?
Oo, okay. Anyo ay siya, yes, hindi kami tanong kung niya makita at banner yun. Tanggalin kita.
Tatanong ka lang kung tutulog ka. Hindi ha.
Look! Look! When?
Tomorrow.
What time?
8:30.
Hapon? Oh, galwad kayo na eh. Dapat judiciary. Sentensyahan na kayo dito.